Hello everybody, welcome. Now, don't know if I can see you, I ain't got a clue. Blindfolded, can't see a thing. And that's here somewhere, I think she's next to me, I can feel her. I'm taking this off a minute, can't see anything.
Gets half his trouble in a minute.
Baked beans, I love baked beans. Beans on toast. I don't have it often, but I love it. You don't like baked beans, do you?
No.
I don't know if people have done baked beans, but let's do it blindfolded. Because I'm supposed to say, your taste is different, don't they, when you're blindfolded? Like the Pepsi and the Cola thing, remember that? So we're going to do blindfolded. So let me show you what we got, and that's going to feed me. So I ain't going to have a clue which is which.
And you're sleeping in the shed tonight because you're going to fart like a trooper. And it's going to stink. So you're sleeping in the shed?
Yeah, okay. Sleeping in the shed. Anyone got a spare room? Right, I got myself some crunchy bread. A big bloomer. Got myself one of them. Crusty bread for beans. I got some Heinz beans. £1.20p from Tesco. I got some Branston beans. 80p from Tesco. I got some Tesco's own beans. 40p. Obviously from Tesco. And I got some Aldi beans. 36p. From Aldi, obviously.
Gosh, there's a big difference there.
Huh?
There's a big difference there in price.
£1.20,
80.
80, 40 and 36p.
Oh.
So there's a lot of difference in there. From them two to them two, there's a big difference, isn't there?
Yeah.
I'm expecting that to be the winner, 100%, all that. I'm expecting them, but I'm not going to know which is which, am I? So I'll show you the Heinz first. I can see. I ain't even got my glasses on. I brought my glasses in, but I ain't got them on. Have a look. I've turned my phone around the other way so the camera's at the bottom, so I'm getting all confused. So have yourselves a look there. I mean the beans, ain't they? Now the Branston.
This side.
Is it? I can't see. I can't see nothing. Pass some more glasses off the table, sweetheart, please. There's them, Branston. Tesco's. Is it there? Is that it there?
Yeah, that's the one.
I can't see. I don't know if you can see with the light anyway.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Just pause the video and do what you do. Now the Aldi's. Ingredients there.
Yeah.
There they are. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get them all in the pots. Heinz first, I'm going to go as is. Heinz in that one, Branston in that one, Tesco in that one, and Aldi in that one. I mean, they're all going to be cooked up anyway, so it doesn't really matter the size of the pots. There's the Heinz.
I'll just do something first. You've got some cling film stuck to the pan, so I don't want it setting on fire. Yeah.
Good job you're there, Bab. Good job you're there.
You couldn't have seen that then.
There's the Heinz. Want to keep the tins. Branston. Oh, air fryer's just gone off. Now that's just had a sandwich. Bit of a different colour look, if you can notice. Bit darker colour in the Branston. Get in, beans, get in. Tesco's 40p. Okay. And the Aldi. They all look quite similar. What do you think, Bab?
Don't smell very nice.
You don't like beans, do you? So.
Let me have a look. Sorry. Slip some extra funny.
They all look quite similar, don't they? You can
They
see
do
all
actually. Yeah, they do.
They all look very similar.
Actually. That one looks a bit thicker.
That one's
whichever
thicker.
One, whichever one that one is.
At the minute.
That's Aldi's, is it?
Yeah.
I don't know whether it'll like loosen up once it's warm.
It does look a bit thicker.
It does look thicker. The consistency and the colour, I'd say that one more than any.
That's the Heinz.
That's the Heinz. That's Tesco. No, that's Aldi. This is Tesco.
Yeah, I'm going to get them all heated up anyway, because you don't need to see this bit of seating beans in it. Yeah, this was £1.20 from Tesco. If I want to get a crunchy one, I'm only going to do 2 slices. I'm going to cut it in half, because when I have my tea, I want to know which beans are the best to have for my tea. So I'm going to do 2 slices. Right, I cut 2 pieces up. I'm going to stick them in the air fryer to get them toasted. Right, it's all done. As I say, I only done 2 pieces of bread, because it's only a taste test this. So first of all, we've got the Heinz. Quite runny. They are quite runny. I'm going to stick a spoonful of them on. So it's only a taste test. There's the Heinz. I'll put the tin next to that one. So that naturally knows. Now we're going to do the Branston. And quite a lot thicker. Quite a lot thicker. That one. Tin next to that one. Now we've got the Tesco one. Looks very runny. 40p for these. Tesco one. And then we've got the Aldi one, which looks the thickest. How thick they look. 36p. So there we go then. Oh, the can for the Aldi. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit up the table. I'm going to put my blindfold on. Nat's going to pick one. She's going to show you which one she's picked with a tin. I ain't going to be able to see. And I'm going to pick the winner out of the lot. Right, we're all prepared. I'm sitting up at the table. I'm going to put my blindfold on. Nat's going to show you what tin she's going to give first. And we're going to see what happens.
Put blindfold on.
Put a blindfold on. I can't put my mouth on because I need to eat. I can't see an absolute thing.
Oh, good. That's what it's all about. Right.
No, I'm nervous. Don't get doing nothing stupid.
Ready?
Go on, you do what you do, and then
Nice.
you tell me to open my gob and that. Don't get the tins mixed up after. Okay, and remember which one you give me first, second and third and that. What are you doing?
I'm marking the tin so I know which one's first.
Oh, okay.
Because you know what I'm like.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Let me put it in front of you.
You're gonna
Put your hands down. Stop wetting your hands around.
don't get doing nothing daft.
Would I ever?
And watch me poorly tough.
Would I ever do anything daft? Open my eyes. Do you want some more?
Okay. Okay.
Do you want a bit more?
No, that'll do.
Sure.
Yeah, get me a drink
Oh,
of
I
water.
forgot to get you a drink of water.
So I can have a drink of water between each one.
I forgot about that.
Okay.
I'm marking the tin so I know which one I gave you
Oh,
first
okay.
and second.
I can't see the water,
Because
babe.
I've just had my medicine. Oh, yes, sorry. Put it in front of him and just like, there you go. Open up. Open. Better? Do you want some more?
No, that'll do for a minute.
You sure?
Yeah. Next. I'm nervous with you because I don't know if you're going to do anything.
I was doing nothing. You know what?
Getting a bit nervous.
I'm not going to do anything. Right, second one's coming.
Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to get a spoonful. That's it. Right. Open.
Oh,
Open. Don't see your tongue out. Let's get you.
okay. I need, yeah, I'll do the clock.
Your chin.
Like a baby.
Ah.
Okay, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You tasted that one?
I've tasted that one, yeah.
Right.
That one's a that at the minute, that one.
Let's give you some water.
Whatever that one is.
Give you a swig of water.
Okay. Next.
This must be torture.
That second one at the minute is that. I didn't like that one at all.
Didn't you?
No. I don't know if I'm in the camera because I say I can't see anything.
You are in the camera.
I am in, yeah.
Yeah.
Next.
I'm kind of just writing on the tin. My pen's not very good.
I'm not going to edit none of this so people don't, we don't cheat.
Oh, I'm not going to. Oh, sure, I forgot to
So,
say this one.
yeah.
So, here, you want to come in?
Come in. Next one. This is the third one, ain't it, this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, I'm coming over. Put this in front of you.
I had water, didn't I?
Yeah, I got you some water.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think of that one?
Yeah, that's quite nice, that one.
That one's quite nice.
Yeah, that one's quite nice. Okay. So 4 and 2 at the minute.
I'm just marking my
No.
count in it.
1 and 3 at the minute. The second one was at the bottom.
Was it?
Okay. Last one.
This is the last
I'll
one.
have a drink.
Oh yeah, hang on. Let me get you a drink first. Before you try it. Move your hands, sit properly.
Trying to choke me.
Got some more?
No, that'll do. Thank you. Next one.
Right, this is the last
The
one.
last one.
Yep. Okay, I haven't got it on a spoon yet.
Ooh.
What do you think of that one?
Ooh.
Got a class again. There's your card.
I need to taste number 1 again.
You need to taste number 1 again.
Have a drink of water first, please.
Yeah.
There it is, I've got it.
Got it? Top's already off. You need to taste number 1 again.
I need to taste number 1
Do you
again.
want me to show you which one was number 1 again to the camera in case you've forgotten or not?
Yeah, you can do if you want.
Right,
Yeah.
okay. So you need to try number 1 again. This was number 1. Right. Oh, sit down. You had your face in the food then. That's number 1.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've got it.
Do you need to taste any more?
No.
Right,
Right,
okay.
so I've gone for the winner, number 3.
Hang on a minute then. The winner, I'll put down first.
Show them what it is. Oh yeah, put it like that. And go in
Okay.
order, yeah. Winner number 3, because then I can have a look after.
Number 3.
Then I'm going for number 1, second.
Number 1 is the second.
Number 4 is third.
Number 4 is third.
And number 2 is last.
Number 2 is last.
That one was disgusting.
Was it?
Yeah.
Right, should I take one for
Right,
that?
take it off then. Let's have a look.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, what? Heinz is last.
Yeah.
You wouldn't believe that.
Aldi baked beans.
Aldi won
Aldi
first.
Oh, Aldi 1.
Then Tesco's.
Yeah. You'd have thought.
So that's cheapest is better.
Than that.
So it's cheaper to dearer.
Yeah.
36p, 40p, 80p, 120. Would you believe that?
I tasted some Heinz sauce not long ago and I didn't like it. It's got a weird taste to it. It don't taste right. It don't taste like it used to taste when we were kids.
That's amazing, isn't it? They're all the same. Oh, that one's no added sugar. Wonder if I've gone wrong there.
Oh, is that one good? Yeah, but they're all going like that though. They're all like that. All baked beans and no added sugar now.
But these aren't no added sugar, look. I didn't see that because I didn't have my glasses on when I bought them.
That might have been, so it could be worth
revisiting that one.
Revisiting this one then. Yeah, you might.
Maybe I'll put Heinz against Lidl, Morrison's and Waitrose.
Yeah, something
do that.
Different ones, yeah.
I do apologise about that. I didn't notice that. No added sugar. Look, it says there. I didn't have my glasses on either at the shop.
Yeah, but no, but it just goes to show.
But it goes to show, doesn't it, on the rest?
It just goes to show that expensive.
Well, it wasn't the sugar. It wasn't the sweetness. It was the mush. It tasted like mush. Mm. As soon as I put it in my mouth, I didn't like.
I thought it had a bit of taste.
I thought that was that.
Did
Tesco's. I honestly did. Wow. There we go.
Yeah, revisit that. Heinz.
Lidl, Morrison's.
Normal Heinz, if you can get it.
Yeah, normal Heinz. I'll take my glasses. Morrison's.
And
Lidl.
And the Waitrose.
And Waitrose. I'll do that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
In the week.
Mm. But there you go.
Well, there you go. Blind taste test. I cocked up on the Heinz. I didn't even notice it till just. But it wasn't that. It was the mush. It tasted like mush when it went in my gob. And the texture wasn't pleasant either. But I'm going to put that Heinz up against, I say, Lidl, Morrison's and maybe Waitrose. And then revisit it later on against them ones because that was my mistake. Well, there we go. Something good. Something simple. I'm going to go and have Aldi now then for my tea.
Yeah. Because
that's the best one.
Yeah.
With some bread. And you can have scrambled egg. Mm. Yeah. There we go. Thanks for watching. I am the old food guy. Cocked up there, my fault. See you later. Bye bye.